All right, we have the main man, Paul Say, with Armor Exteriors.
Hey guys.
Welcome, Paul.
How you doing?
Hey, Paul.
Yeah. Tell us about your business.
All right, yeah, I'm Paul with Armor Exteriors, and we are an exterior remodeling company here in Chattanooga. Our focus is on helping homeowners have a way that they can update their homes to protect their families and know that they can trust the work to be done at a high level of workmanship. And so we do roofs, siding, windows, doors, gutters, and decks. We do some commercial roof work as well, but primarily residential as far as those different trades. And yeah, we love being in the market. We've been here, as far as lived in here, and this is our home, both me and my business partner for over 20 years, and Steve for 50. So yeah, this we love serving the Chattanooga market.
Yeah, I mean, you heard Paul say it. I mean, Armor Exteriors they do a lot, and they've been a great resource for us. Paul has taken us through training courses, and every time we tell a client about Armor Exteriors, we feel confident that they're going to do a good job for our clients, and they're also going to do a good job in representing us as a company as well. So we have full faith in Armor Exteriors. So Paul, I was wondering, talking about those clients, what's a way for them to get a hold of you?
Yeah, they can access a lot of information about our company and educate themselves on the front end and reach out to us through our website, which is www.armorexteriors.com. Also, they can just give us a call. We have someone that's manning the phone all the time to be able to answer questions and schedule appointments and things like that. Our phone number here in our local office is 423-760-3333.
Awesome.
Thanks so much, Paul.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.